ResMed Quattro FX mask has the name ResMed here and Quattro FX written there. You'll notice you have the holes in the front. Those holes allow the carbon dioxide to come out of the mask, so you will feel air leaking out the front, and that is a good leak. You notice you have a quick disconnect. Many masks come with that. The best thing to do is to keep this quick disconnect with this mask. There's a valve right here that when the power goes out, it drops down and allows you to breathe in and out of these holes and 2 additional holes. It's best to leave that valve alone. It does come off, but should you lose this piece, you have to buy the whole mask, and you want to put it back in correctly. So think of it like a letterbox. There's the box, and then you put the valve in. You wash the cushion daily, especially on a full face mask. You don't want to skip that. A lot of mask leak problems happen because people don't wash their cushion daily. And on a full face mask with this much surface area for leaks, it can be quite a problem. You can replace this part up to once every 3 months. So even though you wash it, it may still get some oils embedded in the material that you can't wash out. You can also soak it in vinegar water once a week for 20 minutes. 25% white vinegar, 75% tap water for 20 minutes, and that will help leach out some of the oils. When you go to put it back on, you see there's a rim here. We'll start at the top and then work our way around. We don't skip around, we just keep going on one path, pushing it all the way to the edge, because where it's not up to the edge, that's where it will leak horribly. So get it all the way up to the edge. Double check your work. Looks good. Now once a week you wash the whole thing, headgear and all. You pull it off from the bottom. So you take off the frame, cushion, put all of that in the soapy water, wash and rinse and air dry. Then when you go to put it back on, pop that in the hole. This is kind of tricky. We'll put this in over on the side, and this one over here on this side, and then this pushes straight back. The headgear has a tag with the name of the mask and the brand name. Flip it over where the tag is down on the table and set the mask in the center. The clip just pushes in and then you squeeze to release. Attach all of your straps. Now the key with this mask is how you put it on. It's all about the sit and swing to create the seal on the bridge of your nose. So most people, they will put it on like so, and then they'll wrestle with it this way, lift off, reseat and all that. That does not work on this mask. More often than not, it creates problems. The package it came in gives pictures showing how to put your mask on. So let's say that this is your nose you set it on your nose and you swing to create that seal on your nose. And you swing in, then you attach the bottom straps, and more often than not you snug down on the bottom straps but not so much the top straps, and that creates the seal. This mask is an excellent choice for someone who has a recessed chin, where your chin sits back a little bit, and or if you have a big nose with a high bridge arch on the top of your nose, and that you wear other masks and it just rubs that part raw. Well, this one is the least likely to do that, because you'll notice that it is cut out. Right here is where the hard part stops. So you have this pillow of air wrapping around your nose. And that is the ResMed Quattro FX mask.